Greetings everybody. As we all know, almost 27 years ago, the Harvard, known for its cultural heritage of education across the country, idea was rooted. An idea where students can experiment, innovate, and live their highest potential and fulfill their dreams. Now, that institution stands as a pillar of education and where thousands of students have fulfilled their dreams.
Area of interest include education, technology, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence. Our innovation ecosystem supports positive impacts and real-life challenges.
From ideation to prototype, our students are empowered to turn their ideas into reality. With expert guidance and innovations, our innovators are making a mark in their respective field. Join us in shaping the future. 900 plus research articles published, 10.3 crores research grant submitted. Out of those, 3.2 crores research grant allotted, and more than 100 of patents filed and allotted, and more than 65 plus books published.
Our placement record speaks for itself. Highest package of 44 LPA and a standard package of 8 LPA. Even this year, 16 students got 20 LPA package from Thankal.
Our top admirer networks counts over 70,000 individuals spread across 65 countries, comprising of top bureaucrats, VPs of MNCs, and successful startup founders. At Core University's Tinkering Lab, innovation isn't just encouraged, it's engineered. With the thriving ecosystem that empowers young creators, the lab has become the launchpad for the multiple successful startups across diverse domains.
Today, as we honor the foundation day of Core University, we celebrate not just a date but a journey of progress, knowledge, and unwavering dedication. Join us as we walk through the vibrant lanes of our campus and revisit the legacy that continues to inspire thousands of students.
Our story begins in the year of 1998 when the College of Engineering Roorkee came into the existence. A year later, in 1999, a very first batch of our students stepped onto their academic journey in the disciplines of engineering, that is, computer science, electronics and electrical, electronics and telecommunication, and mechanical engineering.
Our next destination is the academic globe, the intellectual heart of Core. This space, with a strong infrastructure and a vision for the future, has supported many academic breakthroughs and research achievements. Generations of students walk through these corridors with dreams in their eyes and determination in their stride.
And in 2006, we celebrated a remarkable achievement when many of our engineering graduates proudly secured esteemed MBA degrees, a movement that strengthened our legacy in academic excellence.
In 2002, we witnessed the inauguration of Vardhman Auditorium, the cultural soul of our campus. With the sitting capacity of 2,000, advanced LED panels, and fully air-conditioned environment, this auditorium has hosted everything from inspiring talks to unforgettable cultural performances, becoming the gathering place of entire Core family. As the institution expanded, new possibilities emerged. In 2006, we introduced management programs through our affiliation with Veer Madhu Singh Bhandari, Uttarakhand Technical University, opening doors for students to explore diverse career paths.
Then came a defining milestone, the year 2021, when Core evolved into a full-fledged university. This transformation was not just an upgrade, it was the realization of decades of efforts, vision, and collective belief. Becoming Core University empowered us to broaden our ambition, strengthen our identities, and step confidently onto global education stage.
With the transformation also came the establishment of the Core Medical College of Ayurveda, and hospitals are fully equipped 100 beds facilities featuring NICU, ICU, CT scan, X-ray, ambulance services, and round-the-clock medical support for our students and community.
Over the years, Core has earned numerous accolades, from being ranked the #1 university in Uttarakhand
To receiving the national recognition for innovation and placement.
Each award reflects our dedication, quality, and our unwavering commitment for student success.
The life at Core is fun and active. We have modern labs, cultural festivals, and amazing sports events. Our campus is made for the overall growth, as also our sport complex offers sports like basketball, volleyball, cricket, etc., and helps students to stay fit and active.
And then there are the hostels, the second home to thousands of students across the nation. Safe and comfortable, and a sense of belonging that nurture the strong friendship, memories, and a sense of belonging that lasts a lifetime.
As we celebrating 27 years of remarkable progress, we stand choice for the future with innovation at our core. Strong membership, the core incubation and innovation cell, and with an excellent placement cell. We ensure every student's dream find the right path forward. And the most exciting part, this journey is far from over and it's just the beginning.